Hey guys, I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, and today we're going to be talking about how you can discover which categories a book is actually a part of. Because you might not know this, but books can be added to 10 or more categories, and well, bummer part is Amazon only shows 3 of these. So this leaves authors with a couple of questions, like which categories is my book actually a part of? Or better yet, which categories that book is a part of. But the point though is that without this, we won't ever know. Now, before we get into this process, if you like to learn more about book marketing or self-publishing, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell icon to the right so as to get notified when my next video comes out. And with that, let's go ahead and jump in. Now, back in the day, there used to be this kind of hard process by which you could figure it out. You used to be able to just take the ASIN number of a book, put it into Amazon search, and then over on the left side, you do this whole like click pattern thing to be able to see what categories Amazon thought it was a part of. However, though, about a couple months ago, Amazon removed this capability and no longer can you see that. So now there are only 2 ways by which an author can go ahead and see the categories a book is a part of. Now the first is if you have Publisher Rocket. For Publisher Rocket owners, it's actually really simple. All you have to do is click on Competition Analyzer and type in a keyword phrase. Then the Competition Analyzer will present you with a list of all the books that would show up for Amazon if you typed in that same keyword phrase in the search box. Now, if there's a book where you want to check the categories for, just go ahead and click the button that says See the Categories. When you do this, you're going to see a pop-up box, and that pop-up box lists every category that that book is a part of. And even more so is that on the right, you can even see how many sales you would need to make in order to be the new #1 bestseller. Okay? Now, another cool feature is that if you click back and then you go up to Unleash the Categories here in the top right, we make the process easier for you by listing every category that all of these books are a part of. Now you can scroll through and try to see if there's any that look good to you. And what's really awesome is that we present the category strings. Category strings are really important for when you go to add categories or change categories. And again, on the right, you can see how many books you need to sell that day in order to be the new #1 bestseller. Now, this makes discovering categories as well as finding the right ones for your book that much easier. And when you're ready, you can just go ahead and click the export button and you'll have all of your information right there for you. All right, now if you don't have Publisher Rocket, there's another way that you can do this as well. And there's a really cool free tool that nerdybookgirl.com created called the Category Hunter. Here, all you have to do is take the ASIN number of a particular book and put it in, and then click search. Then the Category Hunter will list all of the different categories that one particular book is. Now, unlike Publisher Rocket, it doesn't tell you all of the categories, for a whole bunch of books. You have to do one ASIN number at a time. Also, it won't tell you how many books that day you need to sell. But this can give you reassurance that either A, your book is doing good, or gives you an idea of other categories that other books are a part of. All right, guys, so there you have it. The old way of searching the ASIN number on Amazon no longer works, but if you have Publisher Rocket, this is ridiculously easy. And if not, there's the free option, which is Nerdy Book Girl's Category Hunter tool. And with those, you can now see the categories a book is a part of, and you can also check your own and do a little bit of extra research. And with that, I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, signing off. Cheers.